Welcome back to Top Point. Today we cover a landmark Supreme Court decisions affecting voting rights across the United States. The court has issued a ruling that limits certain state-level restrictions on voting, a decision that could reshape access to the ballot ahead of the upcoming midterm elections. Let's break it down. What this ruling means for voters, states, and political landscape. The Supreme Court case focused on specific case named Moore versus State Election Commission placeholder if needed, challenging laws in several states that imposed sticker voter ID requirements, limited yearly voting, or restrict mail-in ballot access. The court ruled that some of these measures violate federal protection, effectively limiting the ability of states to impose overly restrictive voting rules. Democratic and Republican lawmakers maps highlighting affected states. Politically, this ruling is as significant. Democrats argue that this protects voter access and ensures that more Africans can participate in election. Republicans, however, have expressed concerns about election integrity, arguing that the decision restricts states' ability to prevent potential voter fraud. The ruling highlights the ongoing tension between voter access and election security in the US. The decision could directly affect voter turnout in key states. By limiting restrictive measures, millions of eligible voters may face fewer barriers at the polls. Yearly voting periods could be extended and certain identification requirements may be relaxed. Experts say this could influence the outcome of a tight race in swing states during the midterm election. Footage of legal experts, civil rights advocates, and election officials speaking at the press conference. Legal analysts described the ruling as a affirmation of federal oversight on voting rights. The court emphasized that while its states have authority over election procedure, federal law protects citizens from measures that disproportionately suppress voter participation. This marks a key moment in the ongoing battle over voting rights in the United States. Community groups and advocacy organizations are already mobilizing to help voters understand the changes. They are focusing on voter education, restriction, and ensuring that citizens know their rights at the polls. These efforts aim to make the election process more accessible, particularly for historically underrepresented communities. Footage of Americans voting, ballot boxes being secured, election night coverage. The ruling also sends a broader message about the role of the judiciary in shaping election. The underscores the importance of federal protection in the maintaining fair and equitable access to the ballot, while highlighting the ongoing debate over states' rights versus national standards for voting. Montage of voters of all ages and backgrounds, Supreme Court exterior, Americans flag waving. The Supreme Court's decision on voting rights is a landmark moment with far-reaching consequences. It could expand access to the ballot, influence upcoming elections, and spark new debates over election laws nationwide. For voters, it's a reminder of the importance of staying informed and participating in the democratic process. Thanks for watching Talk Point. Comment below how do you think this ruling will impact for voter participation in your state. Don't forget to subscribe to Talk Point for daily updates on major US news and policy development.